Have you ever wondered why your legs sometimes swell, why your blood pressure suddenly rises, or why you feel tired even after a full night's sleep? Most people blame age, stress, or just getting older, but the truth is this: your kidneys may be silently struggling long before you ever feel real pain. And ignoring these early signs can be dangerous. It can lead to high creatinine, water retention, kidney stones, or even worse, loss of kidney function. But here's the good news. There's one simple food found in almost every market that can help clean your kidneys naturally. And most people don't even know how powerful it is. Stick around, because I'll reveal it in just a moment, and I'll show you exactly how to use it daily to flush toxins, protect your kidneys, and improve your energy. Welcome to Green Health, the channel where seniors over 50 learn natural ways to stay strong, healthy, and active. Before we start, tell me, where are you watching from? I love seeing our Green Health family from all around the world. And if you care about natural healing, kidney health, and simple remedies that work, hit subscribe, like this video, and let's jump right in. Why kidney cleansing is critical after 50. Here's a fact many doctors don't mention. After age 50, your kidneys lose about 1% of their filtering power every single year. That means toxins stay longer, waste builds up faster, and the risk of kidney stones, swelling, and high creatinine increases dramatically. Has this ever happened to you? Swollen feet, foamy urine, lower back pain, feeling tired or heavy, difficulty sleeping, high blood pressure suddenly? Let me know in the comments if you felt any of these. You are not alone. Most seniors think kidney issues happen suddenly, but in reality, they build up slowly over years. And this is why eating the right kidney-friendly foods becomes extremely important. Now, let's talk about the surprising food that supports kidney cleansing like nothing else. The surprising kidney cleansing food is parsley. Why parsley? Because parsley acts as a natural kidney detoxifier, a diuretic that flushes excess sodium, a blood purifier, a cleaner of the urinary tract, a supporter of creatinine reduction. Scientists have discovered that parsley increases the amount of urine your kidneys produce while helping push out accumulated toxins. And the best part? It's extremely gentle, perfect for seniors. But parsley becomes even more powerful when you prepare it correctly. How to use parsley correctly to clean the kidneys. Here is the method many people do wrong, and this is why they don't get results. The correct recipe: kidney cleanse parsley drink. Ingredients: 1 handful fresh parsley, 1 cup boiling water, slice of lemon optional, honey optional. Steps: wash and chop the parsley. Add it to a cup or pot. Pour hot water over it. Let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain and drink warm. How much to drink? 1 cup daily for 3 to 5 days, then rest for 2 to 3 days. Benefits: reduces creatinine, flushes sodium and toxins, reduces swelling in legs and feet, prevents kidney stones, boosts urine flow, cleans the entire urinary tract. Stick around, I'll share who should not drink it. 5 dangerous mistakes seniors make when trying kidney detox. Mistake number 1, boiling the parsley directly. This destroys the healing compounds. Always steep, don't boil. Mistake number 2, drinking too much. More is not better. Overdoing it can remove too many minerals. Mistake number 3, using dried parsley. Fresh has 3 times more cleansing compounds. Mistake number 4, adding sugar. Sugar stresses the kidneys. Mistake number 5, expecting results in 1 day. Cleansing takes 3 to 7 days. Let me know which of these you've done. No judgment. Many people don't know. Who should not drink parsley tea? Important warning. You should avoid this remedy if you have severe kidney disease, are taking diuretics, are pregnant, have very low blood pressure, are on kidney failure, or are on dialysis. Everyone else, this is one of the safest, most effective kidney-supporting drinks. Bonus tip, add lemon for acid flush. A squeeze of lemon boosts kidney cleansing, uric acid reduction, stone prevention, overall hydration. This combination is amazing for seniors. So now you know the surprising food that cleans your kidneys, how to prepare it correctly, and the mistakes to avoid. Your kidneys work day and night for you. The least we can do is support them with simple daily habits. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Green Health, and tell me in the comments which remedy should I cover next. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy, stay strong, and stay blessed. See you in the next video, God's willing. Green Health cares.